hopefully, and then you will start you will open the link and you will appear for the test. Okay, so let us join our hands, close our eyes and chant Omkaram 3 times. Before chanting Omkaram, always take deep breath in, fill your lungs with fresh air and then chant. Always. Sai Ram. Hopefully, we all are ready for our MCQ test, and I wish you all the very best of luck, beta. है ना? Do very, very well. Right? So 23 of you are here right now. At 12:30, I will send you the link, beta. है ना? Mudit Jain joined. Mudit Jain, Sairam beta. Mudit Jain, you have not given your oral test as well as presentation. So mind it, beta. One more chance will be given till the next period. That is, I think on Tuesday. है ना बेटा? Tuesday second period हमारा होता है और Saturday second period होता है. तो Tuesday आपको last chance मिलेगा. है ना? उस दिन तक आपके हाथ में है. इसके बाद what can happen? I don't know. So by Tuesday you all have to complete all these 3 tests. Those you have completed very good. इसलिए मैंने आपके रिक्वेस्ट पे रखा था एक, है ना बेटा, एक्स्ट्रा क्लास भी रखा था. And that helped me a lot. उसमें बहुत बच्चों ने दिया प्रेजेंटेशन. तो अभी जिनको प्रेजेंटेशन देना रहेगा आप रुक जाना, है ना, टेस्ट के बाद भी बेटा, और आप देना. अदर्स कैन लीव, है ना, उस समय बाकी छोड़ के चले जा सकते हैं. Those who wish to give the presentation, they can stay back. Okay, so it is 12:30. So check your chat box, beta. I am sending the link. Okay, yeah, link has been sent. Open the link and do the answers. Link has been sent, beta. Check the chat box. कृष्णा शिवर अभी ज्वाइन किया है. चलो तुम्हारे लिए फिर से भेज रहा हूँ. कृष्णा, साईराम, कृष्णा, चेक द चैट बॉक्स. ओपन द लिंक.
आ गया सर.
यस. एनीबॉडी जॉइंस लेटर, रिक्वेस्ट मी बेटा, है ना. आई विल सेंड द, बट यू हैव टू डू इन द 30 minutes. That is 1 PM. The link will be closed. So start doing. कृष्णा शिवरी ज्वाइन. लिंक मिल गया ना उसको
सर? रिसेंड.
अच्छा, ओके ओके, आई एम सेंडिंग अगेन. या सेंड. ज्वाइन. $25 of you are present. इसको अपडेट कर दो. 23 क्यों दिखा रहा था? स्पीड का चीज अच्छी है. रिहान खान ज्वाइन. ओके, गुड. Others is present. Okay. Others cover oral test, presentation, both are ending. उद्देश्य क्षत्रिय क्षिता क्षिता देवम गिरधर क्या बात है, सभी लोग आए हैं। खुशी कृष्णा मोनिका मुदित नैतिक निकुंज पार्थ पूजा प्रांजल राधिका राधिका रेहान रोहित रुद्राक्ष सार्थक श्रेयांश तनीषा उदित एंड विवेक कुछ है पता नहीं कहाँ से दिखा रहा है जिस बच्चों को Yeah. It's a one response, so that is mine one. Done. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, let me check how many of you have submitted responses. See. Yeah, Vivek Jadhav has submitted, Shreyansh Mishra has submitted, Parth Worth submitted, Tanisha submitted, Rudraksh submitted, Rehan Khan submitted, and Khushi submitted. Now Krishna submitted. है ना? Good. Nikunj also submitted. Nine of you have submitted. Vivek. Monica submitted, Devang submitted, Nikunj submitted. गिरधर, any problem बेटा?
नो सर। सर वो
No.
जिसे वो क्लास वो कर दी थी।
Should I send the link again?
नो सर, आई हैव लिंक। यस सर,
Okay.
यस सर, प्लीज सेंड।
Do then, बेटा, do. Yeah. Those you have done. Very good. Yeah, Radhika has done. Okay, let me check. Yes, after Devang, Radhika has done, Rohit has done, and Adarsh Kabra has done. Adarsh, Rohit also done, Radhika also done. Akshita also done. Adesha also done. Eighteen minus 2, 16, 17 of you have done, I think. 16 of you have done. Yeah. Udit has also done. Nandini has also submitted. Pranjal has also submitted. Pooja and Mudit also submitted. Akshay Sharma submitted. Two of you have submitted already. After then, no one. Akshat. After Akshat, no, yeah, Naitik has submitted. Three of you have submitted. Two more to submit. 25 of you are present today. One of you is left. Who couldn't submit yet? It is 12:53. I have time. Akshay Sharma submitted. Then Akshita submitted. Devang submitted. Kushi submitted. Girdhar Sharma. Girdhar has not submitted yet. Girdhar, are you doing? One is Girdhar. And the other is Krishna submitted. Dehan submitted. Sarthak Banjal has not submitted. So Sarthak and Girdhar. These two are left. Sarthak and Girdhar. Sarthak submitted. Good. Girdhar also submitted. I think all 25 of you have submitted. Girdhar also submitted. Okay, beta. All of you have submitted. Listen me now. है ना? So all of you submitted. Anybody left? Tell me. All 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 of you are present. 25 of you have submitted beta. है ना? So I think now come here beta. Yeah. Sarthak done, Nandini done, all of you have done. So should I show you your score? Score दिखा दूं आपका?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
स्कोर दिखा दें आपको, ठीक है बेटा। तो फॉर दैट लेट मी प्रेजेंट माय स्क्रीन, है ना। एंड यू कैन सी योर बाय रोल नंबर ओनली एट रोल नंबर 22 पर मेरा नाम होगा, उसको छोड़ देना, है ना। इसके बाद आपका रोल नंबर होगा, राइट। सो हियर आई शुड कम हियर एंड आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग माय स्क्रीन, है ना। आई विल क्लोज द लिंक एट 1:05, 1:05 में लिंक बंद करूंगा। ऑल्दो ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सबमिटेड, right, and nobody is going to join now, I hope so, but I'll take that, है ना। I'll close the link at 1:05 and then I'll release your score beta on the your mail. Now I am printing my screen. Adesha, can you see beta, है ना। I am going to print my screen. Okay, now Adesha, can you see the screen? Adesha, anyone can
Yes,
reply?
sir.
Yes, beta. See, column number C is your marks and in name is your in column number D. So check column number C and column number D, right? Adarsh Kabra 18 marks out of 20. Adesha 19. Akshat 13. Akshita 15. Devang 13. Girdhar 13. Kushi 15. Krishna 13. Monica 17. Mudit 6. Naitik 17. Nandini 14. Nikunj 17. Parth 14. Pooja 13. Pranjal 19. Radhika 13. Rehan 12. Rohit 15. Rudraksh 19. सागर मिश्री शर्मा था। सार्थक 12. श्रेयांश 13. तनिषा 18. उदित जैन 17 and Vivek 12. Got it? Anybody wants to repeat? You can see your marks yourself, beta. And last part, everybody has given the correct email ID. I think last part, but first part, if you have given correct also, then I think you will get your score on your mail, certainly, with all descriptions. Okay. Should I show you more? All 25 they have given your attempted and that was your marks. So now let me stop sharing. Okay. Anywhere you found difficulty, beta? Because all of you have submitted, so we can discuss that. Let me compare. 18, 19, 13, 15, 13, 13, 15, again 13, then 17, then 6, then 17, then 14, then 17, 14, then Earthworks, then Pooja, and then Pranjal, Radhika, after them Rehan, and then Rohit, Rudraksh, Sarthak, Shreyans, Tanisha, Udit, and Vivek. Good. So, should I close the link? It's 1 p.m. and release the score. Tell me, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
1 p.m. already.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And all of you have given the answers. So no need to wait. And nobody else is going to come. So now, अच्छा 1:01 ले लेते हैं ना, 1 मिनट और दे देते हैं, 1 मिनट और ले लेते हैं. Then I will close the link and I will release the score. Okay, beta. So how was your questions? Did you enjoy the questions?
Yes, sir.
It was most of the questions are conceptual questions. So if your concept is clear, you will answer certainly. So now, yes, it is 101. So let me close the link. Response link is closed. And now I'm going to release the score. Okay. Yeah. Email and release. Okay, done. So you check your mail. You will get your score there also. है ना बेटा? आप स्कोर चेक कीजिए मेल पे अपने अपने. स्कोर रिलीज्ड ऐसा.
सर आ गया.
हाँ, good. Very good, my dear. So you got the score also. So now let me stop the recording. So let us chant Shanti part and stop the recording. And then those who want to present today, they will be presenting. Okay. And anybody wishes to give the oral test also, then you are also most welcome. Otherwise, try to complete on Tuesday. So let us chant Shanti part. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram. Very nice, Beta. Now I'm going to stop the recording. Okay.